about my little baby. I go cool, crazy. About my little baby. I go cool, crazy. I'm crazy about you, girl. And I know she got my back. She'll bust it 380. Cause you a bad bitch.
Hello guys, what's up? It's Bri and I'm back out here working, and today I'm going to show you guys how I put on my press-on nails. So basically I have these Kiss nails. They're the glam version. They're in the size long. I first start out with cleaning my nails. I have a whole, actual manicure kit. I clean under my nails. I've actually already washed my hands and everything too. I'm going to end up cutting my nails short and then proceeding from there. I want to just say this now. I did not like these nails. I don't know how to stress that. I'm gonna try to wear them again, but I did not like these nails at all. They did not last that long. I had 4 of them break maybe 2 days after I filmed this, and it's because I almost fell, but I didn't do anything to make them almost break. But either way, I am just gonna be cutting my nails, cleaning them up. When I am cutting my nails, I'm cutting them very low. I did try to keep my nails long the last time I tried to use press-on nails, and although they were able to stick and things like that, when it was time to remove them, it actually did kind of take a while just because the nails were stuck to my longer nails. So now at this stage, I'm just showing you everything that comes inside of the packaging. If you've seen press-on nails before, it comes with everything that you would think: the glue, the press-on nails in various sizes, the sizing chart, a pushing stick, and a mini nail file. So right now I'm just going to size all of the nails. I do like to try to get one of each nail. They have a plain nail, a chrome type, I think that's what it's supposed to be, and a glitter nail. I didn't like the texture of the glitter nail. It actually had like some form of texture on it, but it didn't feel like it was supposed to be that way. So I don't know about that one. And weirdly enough, they didn't have it was hard to find matching nails that would fit my nails. I really had a problem trying to find nails that fit my pointer finger and middle finger. I was trying to use all of the colors, and then when I was trying to avert from that mission because I saw that it wasn't really working out for me, it was still kind of hard. So I found that kind of weird because I've never really had an issue with the nails and the sizes. So something to note about those, kind of like another reason why I wasn't a fan of these nails. So right now, before I put the nails on, I do want to use the nail file to just buff my nails, not buff my nails, but to scratch my nails up. I find that the nails stick longer and they last a little bit longer when the nail bed is not as smooth. So I just like to, go over them ever so slightly just to make sure that there's some texture there for something for it to grip. Now, I do have a lot of glue open already, but I was actually in a hurry, so I wanted to just use what came in the package. So I know you won't be able to see me on camera doing this, but I'm actually holding down the nail and blowing it to help it adhere faster. The glue does dry very, very quickly, so blowing on it to me just kind of helps with the security. I am also going to use the push stick to clean up the excess glue that comes out on the sides. I put glue on my nail as well as on the press-on nail because I want to make sure them nails are on there, okay? I plan to wear these, all week. I can make a pair of nails last about 2 weeks. About 2 weeks. Now, these nails, I actually had a lot of issues. Now, normally I can just put the glue on, put the nail on, and stick, blow, good. I had about 2 or 3 of these nails try to slide off like they were not sticking. I thought it was kind of weird, but I was like, okay, maybe I'm not, maybe it's too quick. I don't know, but something else that I saw that was kind of an issue for me. But you see how I'm trying to put this nail on and it just will not stick. And I thought there was glue on my hand that was making it come off, but that wasn't the case. I've been very, very careful making sure that no glue gets on my fingers as I'm pushing it down. But it took a few tries, but it finally was able to stay on there. And as you can guess, that is one of the nails that broke. And they didn't break as in pop off my finger, they broke literally in half. So the only part that was stuck on my finger was the part that is glued to my finger. The other part, the part that kind of hangs off the long end, snapped right off. I didn't have any issues toward the end. I was just glad to be done because, like I said, I was in a rush. So my mom was looking at me like, are you trying to leave or not? But yeah, guys, that is the finished result. I did like how they looked. It just didn't look. They were cute, but I just didn't like how they didn't last as long as other nails that I've tried. But I needed them for some pictures, so they did what they're supposed to do. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, maybe some nails I should try. And don't forget to subscribe. That's everything, guys. So, alright, guys, bye.
I might have to bag that up. Right after I get done recording this dope. I had to give me a new bitch. She wasn't bad enough. She tell me she freaky again. Then I'm about to bag it up. She tell me she touching a friend. Then I'm about to